Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we'll be studying a swept boss or base command. So let's start it. Select a front plane. I'm selecting a front plane to create my sketch on. Okay, this now select any path draw any path. I'm drawing a simple path using a spline. Okay, so this is my path now. Go to features, swept boss. We'll come to sketch profile while studying it in details, but first we'll just give introduction to the swept boss by selecting a circular path. Okay, so I want to create a circular pattern or any circular profile, sweep any circular profile on my path. So this is my path and I want to, for example, sweep 20mm profile on my path. Now there is other thing which is here, thin feature. Thin feature is selected 3mm. It means that the this profile will be like just like a pipe. It will be hollow from inside, but it will have some thickness. So I selected a diameter of 20, so it means that the outer diameter will be 20. Now it is 20 because the thin is inside. The thickness will be this one. This is the outer boundary. It should be 20mm, and it is now the radius is mean that I've reduced 3mm from the radius, so in diameter it will be 6mm. So this diameter of this inner circle, it will be 14mm. Okay, so this decide that either you want it outward, you want this boundary outward or inward. So I want it inward, obviously. Select it. Okay, so this is our profile that we have just made. Okay, now this was all about introduction of swept command. Now we'll study it in a bit detail. Sorry, delete it and delete the sketch also. Yeah, I don't need it. Okay, now again select front plane and draw a sketch on it. Now what will I do? For example, I want it a straight line. I will start it from a straight line. Okay, it's now a straight line. Exit sketch. I can select any of the plane from here that like this one, top plane, but one thing I want to show you that how will you use how will you create your plane, like yeah, manual plane that you want. So okay, selected plane. Now first point is this, and now select this. So it is now perpendicular to this. So what will I do? I will draw, right click on it and draw sketch on it. Okay, now draw a circle here. Okay, and again I have just drawn circle here. Now I will select any plane, like a front plane or a right plane. Let's select front plane. Okay, but first exit this sketch. Okay, now select a front plane. Okay, you can see they both are perpendicular. Now what will I do? I will just select a spline. There is my profile. I'll start my sketch from intersecting this profile. Now this like this, here like this, like this, and now this. Select. Okay, so this is my path. This is my path. Make sure that they both intersect each other. So they both are intersecting each other. Now exit a sketch and go to your swept boss base command. Select a sketch profile. Okay, So select your profile. This is my profile. Select your path. This is my path. Okay, this is simple sweep. But now I have some other option, that is a guide curve. Means that your profile will follow this path and it will sweep toward this path, but these are the guide curves that how your profile should follow this path. So I'm selecting this guide curve here. Look at this, that this profile should follow this path while reaching here. Okay, now this is how guide path works. Now here also you can select start and end point tangents here, and you can start. Okay, important thing is the thin command. Okay, I want it inside. Okay, this is all. Here is your profile thin feature. Now you can hide this plane. Okay, and you can give any color to it. For example, I want this the color. I want a blue color here. Yeah, not blue, an orange color will be good. Okay, I want this color over here, and what I need from inside, I need this color from inside, and this face also. Okay, so okay, now you can hide them both. Hide them, hide this one is also, and this one also, or from here just click this one, everything will be hide. Okay, now if you want to change color, just select this one. I think it is too dark. Change it from here. Okay, so this is the final color that I want now. Okay, so this was all about your swept command. We'll study swept cut as well, and all of these commands we'll cover in this tutorials. Please like and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.